Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut captions for free. You may have noticed that there isn't a single app that provides high-quality captions for free on iOS, especially ones like CapCut's Pro Captions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. Then, tap on the plus plus icon in the middle of the screen. Next, click on AI Editor and select Captions. Here, you can choose from different caption styles and customize them however you like. Once you're done, upload the video as private, and it will be automatically saved to your gallery. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.